Well, hello there. This is the Park Hyatt in New York City. This is the 18th floor, and why not? Let's get a little tour going. So on our right is where you can find the safe, and then you can also get your shoe shine. And this is, of course, not the shoe shine. The one on the bottom, I'm pretty sure it is. There we go. Smells very like leather here, very fancy. And if we go a little bit more forward, on the right here, we can see a big closet, 2 doors. Now there's mirrors, there's some coat hangers, and then of course down there, I have my infamous remote that went down the hill and I chased after it. Very bad idea. Learned my lesson. Let's move on. All right. So on our left is where the bathroom is. There's a water closet, so where you can find the toilet on the left-hand side. And there's also a shower, also on the left-hand side. The shower is very nice because it's like a kind of like a rainfall type of nozzle. And there's also a handheld nozzle, so if you do need to wash anything, it's a little bit easier. So keep in mind that the controls are on the right when you enter, so that's where you can find the controls. Now, when you come out, on your left there's 2 sinks, so you don't have to fight over a sink, which is very good. Then you will see the fancy part of this room, which is there's a TV in the mirror, which is very fancy. You can watch it when you're getting ready or when you're taking a bath. Speaking of taking a bath, if you're facing the actual room, if you go to the left a little bit, you will run into the bathtub right here. And what's nice about this bathtub and taking a bath here is you get a view of New York City. So it's a very quiet room, as you can probably hear, and it's you're getting away from the hustle and bustle of the city. What's also nice about this bathroom that I forgot to mention is it's actually heated floors. This is how fancy this hotel is. It's nice and heated, especially on a cold day. It's amazing. Now, on the left here, we have the snacks. So the coffee, tea, and water are complimentary, but all the other snacks are, they cost money. And above all, the alcohol also costs money. So be careful when you actually pick these up because you don't want to rack up a big bill when you check out. So let's close this. And then to the right of this cabinet is another closet. Now this closet has the ironing board. It has you can find the robes in there. There's also an umbrella. So this is where you can find those things. And it's a little bit smaller of a closet compared to the first one, but still very nice. Nice having multiple closets to put clothes in. And then let's venture into the room. Now, to the right is the big king-size bed with 2 nightstands on each side. There's a phone on one side, and there's an alarm clock on the other. There's controls for the room's lights and also the shades/curtains. So you don't have to reach over to actually open them up on one side, which is nice. Then there's a sitting area, big TV. And then when you come back to where we first began, when we entered this room, to our left is where you can find the desk area. So this is where you can actually get your business done, or if you want to eat here, that's completely fine too. And look at what they brought me. This is my birthday, so they decided to bring me some dessert, which is very, very cool, very friendly of them. And then behind the desk is a view of New York City. Now you see Central Park, and then you also see the JW Marriott. Very nice view, very quiet of a room, very expensive of a room, but if you can book it with points, it's worth it.